Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can configure a static or manual IP address on a Mac device. Now I'm on a MacBook Pro. So first, let's just see what IP address we have. There's two ways you can view that. You can view that through we can view the IP address through the terminal, or we can use the system preferences or settings. If I open the let me go ahead and open the terminal here. So the command to check the IP address is ifconfig, and you can filter. So this is the IP, it's towards the end, and I can just filter this using grep just to make it easier to read. And that's the IP right now, 176.16.1.100. And you can also go to the system settings. So just click on the Apple icon and go to system preferences or system settings, and then you want to go to under your settings, go to network, and then you should see all the networks that are listed here depending on what you have, depending on what you're using, Wi-Fi or wired. Right now I'm using a wired connection, so if I expand it by clicking on this arrow right here, I can see the IP address and DNS. Now, if you wanted to manually assign an IP address and DNS, what you can do is you'll have to click on details, go to TCP, and you can change this to manual. Then you'll go ahead and change this to the IP1. So I'll do 172.16.1.207. Then you'll need your subnet mask and then your router or default gateway, and then click OK, and it's changed. You can do the same thing with the DNS. Go to details, DNS, and here you can remove it, or you can add another one. So you can just change it, just type in the new one. Like I said, you can add another one here. Let's just put back what we had. Click OK. And if I go to details, so I have two DNS servers here now. And if I open the, let me open the terminal again. And we run the command. And now the IP has changed to 207. Now if you wanted to verify your DNS, you can use DNS lookup and then just put in a website here. Let's say google.com, and that should show you what you're using for DNS. So with this DNS, I'm able to translate google.com to its actual IP address right here. And you can verify your connectivity. You can just ping site. So that's all for this video. That's how you can assign your Mac device a static IP address and a static DNS. If you wanted to change back to using DHCP, you just come back here and change this to use DHCP. Okay, and the IP address should change to whatever your DHCP is handing it. So that's all for this video. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.